Hey y'all, it has been entirely too long. Matter of fact, since the last video, we are in a new spot. Don't mind the mess, I'm still getting the shop kind of set up how I wanted. Some new equipment, new toys and whatnot. But yeah, we back making another cool project. This is actually take two because the first one, total disaster. Deleted all the footage, it was a wreck. But over the next couple days, we are going to be making a really special gift for, actually, since the last video too, we got Baby Manutea. So Nico and Lehua had their little one over the summer, and his first Christmas, we built him something special. And maybe if there's time in the video later, we'll share a little bit about his unique story. So yeah, we got taking this straight wood, and we're going to make it round wood, sort of. But yeah, let's see how this one goes, y'all. Wait a minute. Bruh. Whoops. Real this time. Yeah. So I don't know if I exactly explained what I'm making on this, but the reason I pulled this out is so I can draw an area that I'm going to cut out. What I'm making is a Toere, so that's Asian drum, but instead of being a functional drum, I'm turning it into a piggy bank. Now on our actual drums, there's a big slit here that they hollow out the drum with. But if I do that, then all the change is going to fall out. So I'm just going to use the router, put a nice groove down the middle, and that way it'll have the appearance of the drum while still keeping the money inside. So I do got to clean it up a little bit, but that'll give the appearance that it's cut in. Hey, and there's the glue up. The chaos of turning flat wood into round wood. And now we just wait about a day for the glue to set. And, you know, since there's really not much we can do with this, I want to take a minute here to just tell Baby Manutea's story. Over the summer, he was born and with a very unique medical condition that required him to be airlifted, and he went into surgery almost immediately. And just dealing with all of that in one way or another, it affected the whole family. So, but thankfully, I will say this, thankfully, just different communities from all around the world, their contributions, both with money, with blessings in different forms, it really helped us. So, in the St. Nicholas family. So thank y'all for that. And, you know, even more so is since then, Baby Manu has recovered very well. Check out some pictures here. Very healthy, energetic, you know, chubby little monster. And along with that story, his fight and his recovery, that's kind of what inspired me to make this right here, what this will be. And, you know, with Nico being one of our awesome musicians, now his son will have his own drum, except the piggy bank. Yeah, we'll come back to this in about a day. And while that's drying up, and I mentioned some new toys for the shop. Got some things going on, y'all. Yes, sir. You know, shout out Amazon week. The whole week of Black Friday has crazy deals. So, yeah, about to open up a whole new world of options for what goes down back here. So let's wait some more, I guess. Now we got the edges in line with the rest of the drum. We can draw out our shape and watch this thing come to life. Yo, when I tell you, I cannot be any more excited about how this thing turned out. Well, I take that back. I guess I can, because I'm not overly excited about how my carving came out, just because I started to get more ideas as I finished, but pretty dope. Nice little Toere piggy bank. Yeah, such an awesome process. I think every project that I've done, I've learned a lot while doing it, and this one was no different. Check me out. Yeah, and now the tricky part is going to be keeping myself from sending pictures of this thing to Nico. Just want to maybe wrap it up, throw it under the tree. It's only a few more days, but yeah, it's hard because you know, this thing, watching it go from start to finish, knowing, you know, what it represents and what it'll mean to him, you know, for Baby Manu to grow up throwing his change in this thing, if we're even still using change, you know, as he's old enough to know the concept of money. But yeah, you know, just a little symbol for him, you know, keep the traditions going, keep the stories going. You know, I'm pretty sure he's gonna love music the way we all do. And yeah, just glad that we could do something to take care of the family, y'all. So hopefully now that we got the shop up and established, still gotta set some more things up here. But maybe we'll have more stuff coming, some more builds, some crazy projects on that stupid thing. We'll see, y'all. But yeah, it's been a while since we've done one of these. Damn near forgot how to record. So till next time, y'all. Peace.